What's up, guys? I'm back again with another banger video this week, but before we begin, do me a favor. I am almost to 2,000 subscribers. Smash that sub button down below if you haven't already. I come to you guys weekly with updates on TikTok, the algorithm, and also updates on my journey to 1 million. Today's a good update on the algorithm and what TikTok has in store. Smash that like button and drop a comment if you get value from this video. Thank you. But I've got some good news. Take a look at this. TikTok's lowered the threshold from 5,000 followers down to 1,000 followers for the affiliate program. What does that mean for you? Well, that means that the barrier to entry is now way down here instead of up here like it was before. People were struggling to get to 5,000 followers. Now, you only need to get to 1,000. And it's not that difficult to do, especially with grow rooms like Shut Up Tiffany. I'll include a link of her profile down below. She helps you get followers on her live sessions, and she goes live every single day. So, getting to 1,000 followers is fairly simple, and I'm willing to bet that a lot of you already have 1,000 plus followers, and now all you need to do is activate the affiliate side. Now, there's a problem. In the back office, the TikTok Shop for Creator, this little button here, is gone on a lot of people's accounts. Why? I have no idea. I assume that it has something to do with the update that they rolled out yesterday on the 15th of May, lowering the threshold down to 1,000 followers, but I don't know why. However, if that button is not there for you and you don't know how to access the affiliate program, I got you covered. Here's a QR code. All you got to do is screenshot this, scan that QR code, and it'll give you access to the TikTok Shop for Creator, which in turn will allow you to apply for the affiliate program. And you should get approved if you've got 1,000 followers. No problem at all. Now, there is some sort of a glitch going around right now where some people who don't have any sort of account violations or any strikes against them whatsoever are receiving a account not eligible, does not meet community guidelines. Why is this happening? I have no idea. But TikTok did just put out a massive update for this program, so it could just be a glitch. But as I learn more information, I'll be posting more information about it on my TikTok account. And if it's worthy enough to come over here to the YouTube where I have to make a long form content video about it, I will be making a video. But for those of you who don't follow me on TikTok, there's a link down below. Go ahead and click on that. Go drop me a follow. That way you can stay up to date with all of the immediate things that I post in regards to TikTok every day of the week. However, use this QR code. Utilize that QR code, get yourself in the affiliate program if you have more than 1,000 followers, and start selling. You will be surprised on what you're able to do and how much money you can actually make with this program. It's amazing. It's amazing. But anyway, there's a few other updates that TikTok has brought into play. And one of the biggest ones is being the algorithm and how they push videos out. You are not going to see your video go viral overnight anymore. Some of you might. Some of you, the majority of you, will not. I'm not going to say it's impossible because I've still seen it happen, but it's a lot less likely. And the reason why is because TikTok is moderating these videos a lot more heavily than they have been in the past. And I personally think it's due to what's going on between TikTok and the government. And they want to make sure that they're monitoring the platform in a very good way to not give the government any more ammunition that they already quote unquote have to get rid of the platform. And hopefully I don't get in trouble for saying this kind of stuff, but that's just kind of my opinion and what I think's happening with it and why they're monitoring it a lot more closely. But what does this mean for you? Well, that means that videos you post now may not catch virality until 30 days from now. We have a lot of people in the community that are not going viral right away, but their videos are picking up traction 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks after they've posted it. And that's been the case for me in the past. I've talked about it on here before. I've talked about it on TikTok. TikTok is weird. But they want to monitor your videos and moderate them in a way that they don't push the wrong videos to viral success, because that could become a problem, especially shop videos. If you're talking about misleading content, but it's a good product and people interact with your video really well, but you're lying or you're not giving the right information and it goes crazy viral, well, you're kind of harming yourself and you're harming people and putting other people at risk by lying to them. So TikTok is wanting to make sure that they moderate that a little bit better than they have been in the past. So it may take a little while for your videos to get pushed out there, but rest assured, you can still go viral quite easily. You just have to know what you're doing, and you have to curate the video in a way that makes it viral. And let TikTok do its thing, like we always have. TikTok is the most powerful algorithm in the world. We all know that. Let TikTok do its thing. So, but other than that, guys, I don't have a whole lot for you today. I just wanted to get on here, give you guys a quick update on that. I know there's going to be a lot of people asking about it and wanting to see, how to do it and how to access it, and hopefully I can save your day by giving you that QR code. Once again, it is right here. So if you need it, screenshot it, save it, utilize it to your benefit if that button is no longer there for you. But aside from that, thank y'all again, and Hit that subscribe button, smash that bell so you never miss an update from me. I'll see y'all in the next video.